How to log in to your Virgin Money credit card account. For this, open your Google and search for Virgin Money credit card and tap on the first suggestion shown right here and tap on it. So right here at the top, you should see the option of sign in. Simply tap on the sign in icon. Then tap on the first suggestion shown from here. Now scroll down and tap on Continue to Internet Banking option. Then you have to wait for a while until the page is loaded. Here enter your username or your customer number and tap on Continue. If you have forgotten it, simply tap on Forgotten your customer number and follow the given instructions. Once you are done, simply tap on Continue. Then you have to go ahead and enter your banking password right here in this dialog box and then tap on Continue. If you have forgotten your password, simply tap on I don't know my password and then follow according to the instructions to regain your password or even change a new one. Then once you do that, you'll be able to log into your Virgin Money credit card and your Virgin Money online banking. So make sure to go ahead and give this a try and thank you so much for watching.